Wow, I love this. This is super cool, guys. Look at this. Guys, this car is absolutely beautiful. To put the key in the keyhole, or do you prefer the start-stop buttons? One of the most beautiful wraps you can choose for an S63. Look at this. I love this. Hello guys, I am back welcoming you all with this. Today I will be presenting you this special looking S63 AMG. And not normal one, as you can already see, we have a special wrap on that and some nice looking rims. So today I am at Vossler headquarters workshop in Hanover. They are known for creating crazy cars such as this one, and they are also Brabus partners. So as you can see, this car is an S63 with some nice looking Brabus additional parts. So in today's video I will be doing a walk around showing you all the exterior features. Afterwards jump inside to show you the interior of that, and last but not least we will be listening to the sound of this gorgeous looking thing. So let me talk about this car in specific. Here we have the S63 AMG. We have a V8 biturbo AMG engine, no engine modifications done by Brabus on that. So we're talking about 585 brake horsepower and it's super powerful. Let's just concentrate more on the look and start with the walk around of this car. As you can already see, the beautiful and nice looking wrap. The original color work of this car is selenite gray, but they have wrapped it in a nice looking olive metallic wrap. Just look at this, have a closer look. It's so nice and shiny. I really love the work they have done here at Vossler. Let's just start talking about the front of this beautiful car. Wow, I love this. I miss the S63 Coupe. Let's just start talking about the front. As you can already see, here we have the LED intelligent light system back in the days. These are optional. You can also go for the Swarovski crystal headlights option, which I would always prefer for the S63 Coupe. Continuing here, we have the facelifted front with the so-called Panamericana front grille, which is full finished in black. We have the Brabus BB, where we normally have the Mercedes Benz star emblem, the front camera, and we have the Brabus B also in the front. Continuing with the front bumper, you see we have a lot of Brabus additional parts here, which look absolutely beautiful. Just look at these aero additional carbon fiber parts. These are all made by Brabus in Bottrop. As you can instantly see with the Brabus B on the part and front splitter, nice finish, carbon fiber work here done by Brabus. Here you can also see Vossler concepts. They are Brabus official gold partner. Guys, this car is absolutely beautiful. I love this. Let's just start talking about the side of this yacht. Guys, agree with me on that. It's one of the most beautiful wraps and colors you can choose for an S63. Beautiful contrast between the olive green kind of look plus the champagne tone on the rims. Absolutely stunning. Here we have the monoblock platinum edition, 21 inches in the front. These are original Brabus rims, but Vossler decided to wrap these rims in the champagne goldish kind of look. Normally they are chrome or finished in black, but this looks so nice and unique. Brabus BB also finished in a champagne goldish tone. Guys, I love this. On the sides you can see full finish in black. Also the frames, these are always in chrome by Mercedes Benz. Continuing here with the rear wheels, also 21 inches, monoblock, platinum edition, M from Brabus. I love these. As you can instantly see, these are wrapped. You see this? The transition between the black and the wrap. But great work done by Fosler on these. And now it's time to show you the most beautiful part of this car, and it's the rear. Just look at this, guys. You might be wondering, why are the lights giving signals like that? This car is coded. They have done a few modifications on the rear lights with the OLED, which is super cool, guys. I didn't expect that. I thought we broke something, but it looks very, very cool. As you can instantly see, the rear, one of the most beautiful rears, especially with the additional Brabus parts, guys. You have to agree with me on that. Continuing with the rear, let's just start focusing on the additional aero parts by Brabus. Rear spoiler, full finished in carbon fiber. The gloss carbon fiber look looks absolutely beautiful, guys. Then we have this chrome part, which is finished in black gloss, the Brabus double B. Then we have the tail lights. You can see these are the OLED tail lights, which came with the facelifted version. But this is the pre-facelift S63. They have facelifted it with the tail lights and the steering wheel and a few more add-ons. This is super cool, guys. Look at this. Would you also do this with your S63 Coupe? Just comment it down below. I'm very curious if you like it or you don't like it. Continuing with the rear, full finished in carbon fiber. This is what I need, guys. I hate plastic parts on the rear. Even though you have plastic parts, you see them? These are fake parts, fake vents. You don't really see them until you have a closer look. It's full finished in carbon fiber here. Amazing work on these. The exhaust tips, the Y-shaped ones, we have the Brabus exhaust mounted on that, guys. The sound is amazing, and the exhaust tips as well. I wish they were full finished in black. Brabus B on the exhaust tips as well. So how do you guys like this? Just let me know in the comment section below. Would you rather prefer the front or the rear? I'm very curious how you think. Now, before we step inside the interior of this beautiful car, let me show you the key, and here we have it. You instantly see by the key that this is the pre-facelift model, the old key, AMG, a Fahrzeug badge on the rear. Yes, it's okay, guys, never mind. We'll be more focusing on the car and the interior. So let's go. Something I forgot to mention is that this is a cabriolet. I totally forgot it. I thought I did mention it, but I did not. But now let's talk more about the interior. There is not a lot to talk about, but I will be showing you the most special things about this. Starting with the door panels, just normal leather works on the door panels. This carbon fiber was extra done by Fosler. They had a wooden trim inside and they changed it with the carbon fiber. All in all, we have the Brabus sound system. Then, as you can see, Brabus floor mats. It's a little bit dirty, so I'm sorry. Brabus entrance board, which is illuminated, looks absolutely nice. The entrance is also finished in the wrap, but if you have a closer look on the door itself, you can see the Zelenite exterior paint. This is the original one. I would definitely go with this wrap. So now let's just step inside and let me show you more of this interior. Let me just start by starting the ignition. AMG popping up. Long time no see. I always have start-stop buttons. It's so weird to put the key inside the keyhole, guys. What do you prefer? Do you prefer to put the key in the keyhole, or do you prefer the start-stop buttons? For me, the start-stop is a more elegant way, but this is more classic to have a real key to really use the key. What do you say? Guys, I have to be honest with you, it's super cold. Oh my God. I will be just closing the roof now. You have the buttons here, foot on the brake. There we go. And here comes the roof. So we have the roof closed, all the windows, moving them up. That's the signal I was waiting for. And now inside the S63, there's something special about the full interior. First things first, as I already mentioned, they have replaced all the wooden trim parts in the interior with carbon fiber. As you can see here, looks very nice. It gives you a more sporty touch in the interior. It's a very boring interior, as you can see. Just full finished in black. We have the Fahrzeug emblem here. The nice looking seats, the S-Class specific ones with the beautiful diamond stitching, flowing lines. Guys, I love this. But the most interesting thing about this interior is the steering wheel. Guys, look at this. Let me just give you an overlook at what they have changed on this steering wheel. First things first, they took the facelifted steering wheel. the AMG steering wheel, flat bottom here. Then they replaced the steering wheel frame, blacked it out, guys. It looks so nice. Even the buttons, guys. The steering wheel ring itself, it's stock. We have the normal carbon fiber, the Alcantara on the sides, which looks very nice. On the bottom, we have the Brabus emblem as well. Then something I really love about the steering wheel is the airbag cover. As you can see, it's full finished in Alcantara. We have a gray stitching, which we also have on the steering wheel itself. Then we have the nice looking Mercedes Benz star in black. Guys, this looks so nice. I love this. It also feels very, very nice. Instead of having the plastic, I would always recommend you guys just replace your airbag cover, definitely. Then we have the Brabus shift pedals here, full finished in carbon fiber, fitting with the steering wheel itself. And all in all, very nice job done here on the steering wheel. I really like this. I would definitely go for exactly the same steering wheel. How do you guys like it? There's not much to talk about the interior. As you can instantly see, we have the old command system, and you instantly know this is the pre-facelift model. So I will be skipping all the interior things. I will be now starting up the car and share with you the beautiful sound of this car. Since we have the Brabus exhaust system mounted, it sounds beautiful. So lowering the window here. Okay, that didn't sound well. And now foot on the brake. Starting up with a key, guys. Nice. You see the car's in comfort. Back in the days you had these buttons, as you can see. Switching to sport now. And now it's time to listen to the sound of this beast. Let's go. Love this. You also instantly hear the pre-facelift sound, because with the facelift you would instantly have the pops and bangs, but you didn't have them with the pre-facelift models. It sounds very decent, but I would definitely add the pops and bangs also to this car and to the exhaust, guys. I love them and they are essential. So now let's step outside and listen to the sound of this gorgeous looking thing. Let's go. So now it's time to demonstrate you the sound of this gorgeous looking thing. Starting it up now, let's go. Wow. Guys, I love this. You know what I especially love about the Brabus exhaust? You have the whistle, kind of. Listen to this, the whistle. You see, you hear that? I love this. It's a note. It's a very nice note, which you only have with Brabus cars, guys. I love this. So that's it basically for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching, guys. This is a very nice and special looking thing. I drove all the way from Düsseldorf just to see this and to share this with you. So what did you like most? The interior, the exterior, the sound? Just leave a comment in the comment section below. Please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, activate the notification bell, follow me on Instagram. Looking forward to see you all again. Wish you all a great day. I will be back.